Good evening. Hello. Check, check, check. Should I do an audio check? I'll listen on my computer. How about that? All right. I think we're good. Let's go with it. All right. So, hope everyone had a good Monday. We have the beginning of a week. So, important day for crypto charts. And, Monday sets a lot of people's bias, I think, for the rest of the week. And kind of sets the stage, the initial auction. So, I think it's an important day. I do have family in town, and we already have our positions on, I think, for this week for the most part. So it's going to be a pretty quick stream. I don't think we're going to have to linger too long here. So let's get right in it. So, guys, we're managing a portfolio. If you've followed along so far, I'm completely transparently trading this portfolio on YouTube. So we started it fresh together. I linked the account to 3commas, which shout out to 3commas. Thank you for sponsoring the stream. Let's get let me pull out the chat. Where's the chat here? I'm gonna link a special link to 3commas in the chat here that will allow you to try 3commas for free. Let's see if this works. I think I got the Nightbot linked in. Are you here, Nightbot? We'll see. We'll see. If not, you know what? I'll do it myself. I don't need a robot. Here we go. We do it myself. There we go. So use that link right there and the code Luna to get the very best deal if you want a discount on a subscription, but you can still try it for free without paying for a subscription. So you can also trade a demo account on there for free. No, you don't spend any money. You're not putting any money on exchange is what I was trying to say. And you have access to simulated account where you can start practicing strategies and stuff like that. So let's keep the music going though. Let's see. There we go. So do I need to turn it up now though? I think I do. All right, we do it live, guys. We do it live. All right, so we got in our positions and looks like we had a very slight dip and back up. So let's see how the positions are going. So here's the portfolio. Still the same amount of link. We never got the third fill. It looks like Ethereum. We have about almost half an Ethereum, not quite. Mostly in dollars. So percentage wise, I kind of have it cut off the screen. Making sure it's in order. Here we go. Now it's in order. So we have mostly dollars. Does this show us the percentage? Yeah, 51% dollars. So you know what I really want to do? I want to get a meter going on the account, which will show my exposure percentage. So I want like a bright red warning as exposure increases or decreases. And you know what I needed to do? I'm gonna link the stream to. I need to, oh gosh, I don't know what's happening there. That's it. I'm trying to find my stream. So I gotta link my stream real quick to, I don't know, Twitter, stuff like that. So I'm gonna send out some invites here to Discord. I'm just doing it live right now and getting situated on this new channel. So I'm not, I'm just trying to find my flow with it. So I don't really plan too much. I have a little bit of planned, but that's about it. Let's see, Luna trades crypto. I do need to invite the homies though. So here we go. There I am. Alright, I'm going to send out this link real quick. Going live. And then how about we do it on X? I actually call it X now. It's weird. Good. Alright, I think that's good enough. Whatever. So, let's look at our positions. I'm going to just start off on Smart Trade. We have one link position. We never got the third fill on it, so I just went ahead and deleted it. We're up 4.25%. This was a very small position. If I click on it, it should show us the position on a chart. Very good. I love that. I love that. So we can see both fills. And a third fill down here that hasn't filled yet. I thought I canceled it. It does say canceled, so I think it is canceled. Our first TP is quite a bit higher, and second TP even higher, and then we have a runner, which I just put up at 30 just as a random number to have that be the runner. So I'll change that once it's if or when it comes up. So stop loss, I just used the low. So I guess that's a little bit trying to catch the bottom. I will at some point try to bring this into profit. Like bring the stop loss into profit, I mean. So this position's on. So far it's going good. And you know what? I also forgot. I want to have a full screen. I want to have a full screen 3commas to use. Okay, let's see how this works. What does it do? We're gonna go full screen. Nope. Oh yeah, it worked. Nice. Okay, we got it. All right. How about that? All right, so full screen looks a little better. So portfolio's technically in the positive. When I first started the stream, it was sitting at 35.55, so 3,500 pretty much, and I had some Ethereum and stuff that I had to sell off. Yeah, I guess it's just Ethereum and USDC. I sold off some of that to start these positions. I want to go check on the grid bot position. So we checked on the link; it's up 4.5%, and so let's see how the grid bots are doing. The Bitcoin position is doing well. So we got a little movement. We're having a little bit of a dip here. So we hit 2 sells so far. So I think we opened it around here. And then we sold off 1 buy here. We almost hit that other fill, which would have been awesome. We're not quite though. And then we took off. So hit a sell, hit a sell. So now this past sell is a buy, because that's what the grid bot does. And so we have 2 more sells to be out of that position fully, but if it dips, it will keep buying back in until I remove this range. So once we get out of this range, I'm not gonna have any position on. I'm not gonna have a runner or anything. It will maybe end up buying 1 back in or something like that. I have it set to trail, so as it goes up, it will keep adding 1 below. I think I have it set to trail. I'm pretty sure I do. So let's look at the ETH grid bot. So same thing. What I had done with the ETH one is decided I didn't want to fill anymore, and I only wanted it to start selling. So I changed the position size a little bit, and we restarted. And we didn't even have to restart the bot. We just had to juggle it around a little bit, and we had 1 purchase since I opened it, and then 2 sells. So same as Bitcoin pretty much. So each one of those cells was, let's see, it's only $58 worth of Ethereum per level. So these are really small positions. I mean, I only have $3,500 portfolio going right now, so I'll probably add more. I'm trying to keep it relatively smaller size and try to build it on stream would be cooler to me than starting with a lot. You know, the easiest way to get $1 million in crypto is to start with $2 million. So I didn't want it to be easy, so I'm gonna start with this 3,500. So let's look at the XRP grid bot too. So this one just hit one sell so far. And so these sells are for, yeah, same thing, $65 per level. What was the Bitcoin? $218 per level. So the Bitcoin have it spread out a little bit further. All right, so it's good to see green. Always like that. And so these grid bots will hedge off as it goes up and then hedge back on as it goes down. So I consider it a hedge long position, hedge spot long. And we can see how much is invested in each bot right here. And so that's also the USD put aside to trade it, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so let's do some charting. So actually, let's start with. Okay, so those are my squawks for NQ and ES. I don't want to trip anyone out with those. Let me see. I'm just gonna turn them off. Okay, you won't hear any more squawks. All right, so let's check on. Where do we want to start? Let's go to the journal. So I was just having trouble finding the journal that I started on stream yesterday. I'm thinking this is the one. I'm not 100% sure though. So vibe check for funded. So am I feeling good enough to take trades in my account? I think so. I don't actually think I'm going to take any trades tonight though. Trade plan and risk calculation, plan trade ideas, top down and key levels. So that's just making me check in before I do anything. Yo, what's up, G-Wiz? Well, you made it this time. Oh, it's we got some lag going on. I hope the volume's good. Yeah, sorry if it's, I don't know, it's lagging or something, but hopefully it comes back. So yeah, this is just pretty much keeping me in check before I do anything dumb. And it's like, really what I should have is just a hand that slaps me, as the Rhino would say. So I just need to get slapped. And then maybe I'll remember to not do anything dumb. But for now, I have my checklist to protect me. I'm not going to do any trading. I'm just kind of looking over this real quick. Wait for A+ setups, 1 to 4 trades. Yeah, this isn't the right one. This isn't the one that I made. I need to find it. Let's check on real quick the news, economic news. Anything crazy this week? I think towards the end of the week, there's a few things. Durable goods on Wednesday. GDP growth rate, 8:30 on Thursday. Wednesday, Thursday, and I think Friday too. What was it? Yeah, PCE. Price index, personal income, personal spending. So Wednesday through Friday, we have some news. So maybe the markets will be have a little more volume, maybe make some bigger moves. So something to look out for if we get some momentum going. Especially I'm more interested right now in bullish momentum that would maybe carry Bitcoin with it, and give retail confidence to hold, I guess, and buy. Something like that, just in general confidence in the markets. So looking at Bitcoin, I'm going to zoom in a little bit first. Okay, actually, I'm just going to push that aside and go to the monthly. So anywhere down here, well, we pretty much tagged those wicks almost. Not quite, almost. But yeah, I mean, anywhere towards 60 is a buy for me. Anywhere around here, I'd be wanting to buy heavy, pretty much. If we broke down, though, it's pretty bearish. Weekly, we found the bottom on the weekly for now. And it, you know, this range of this this week where we had this big dip, that was February 24th. That week, I would kind of be interested in looking at that for a range, for a breakout of there, a close above or a close below. Would be interesting to me to confirm more bullish momentum. Also, let's go down to the daily. I would actually maybe just be more interested in this one right here. That range. We sold off and then we bounced there and then we got rejected. I'm going to delete this random drawing on here, my artwork. How'd you do today, G-Wiz? Did you trade? You have a good morning? The market was nice this morning. That rally from last night into the morning. So Bitcoin is doing its thing. I could easily see it sweep these lows still and create a higher low. So I guess I would still be bullish at that point. Made 615, nice. And that's in Fundit or all your accounts total? Personal account? I pretty much only count my Fundit on what I made. That one's too ugly. But I'm kind of getting to. Maybe we should be trading all my accounts as if it's the same. Not trade them any different. But I definitely go a little bit harder in my combines or whatever simulated accounts. So I could just. Yeah, I mean, I could really see this keep grinding up. I can see it reject anywhere around here. This whole area around here. Let's go down to the 4 hour. Yep, pretty much just looking for these higher lows and higher highs. So until this market structure is broken, I'm going to remain bullish. I'm going to set an alert right here under this. So I'm going to call that lower low. Right, I'm just going to text myself a little message here. BTC making a lower low on the 4 hour. So that'll be an alert for me to consider my positions. I'm gonna look at Ethereum real quick. Nothing's really changed. It's pretty much the same thing as Bitcoin, just with a little more risk to reward, or reward to risk, like a little more, I think, opportunity with Ethereum than Bitcoin. I'm just going to do a quick browse because we just charted these. I don't want to chart them again. We could look at yesterday's stream. Nothing's really changed. And that's a funny thing with trading crypto compared to day trading, so I started trading crypto and then I've been day trading futures for like the past year. And when we're looking at the weekly chart like this, like nothing changes that much. Like, to me, yeah, I really like this Solana chart. It can take a while for these things to play out, so it could come back down before it still goes up. So we have really loose stop losses on a lot of these trade ideas. I really want this Solana trade, I'm not gonna lie. Which is just scary buying Solana. But I'm gonna think about it. Maybe I'll take it. Okay, so like I said, I want to keep today's stream shorter. So I just want to really check in on my portfolio. Everything looks good with these trades. Market is bullish until proven otherwise is where I'm leaving it with Bitcoin. Let's turn on these EMAs too. Yeah, look, we just broke above the 200 EMA. I mean, I know we also did that up here before nuking all like bad, but I like it nonetheless. EMA is crossing bullish. I like it. Combine, nice. Are you just trading one single account at a time? Because that's like, I'm trying to get there. I was actually kind of thinking to challenge myself and just have a day where I'm only trading one account, or one account per day, or a week where I only trade one account. Because I'll have so many different trades that end up like, man, if I just took these all in my fund, I'd be up really big right now. But because I took a little bit here and there, I like just slowly working my way. Okay, so I'm cool with my positions. Just one, nice. I think that's good for discipline. Okay, so what do I want to look at? There's something else I want to look at. You know what? Let's do some trade prep for tomorrow and kind of look at the state of the rest of the market. So let's look at the SPY and the NASDAQ. Looking for confluence with these markets and direction for maybe the next day. So let's put on the previous day levels so we can judge tomorrow's auction from yesterday's levels, which is really today, but whatever, during the market. So what I'm gonna do is, I have it kind of marked out here already in a way. Where are my levels? Okay, here they are. I'm just dragging these up because we auctioned up so much. You have any crypto, G-Wiz? Okay, so I'm just putting yesterday's high and low. Yo, what's it? What's Goog? Yo, what's Goog? What's up, BDYD? HFHFHS HX? What's up, homie? Nice. That's the one you want. At least that's what I want. So I'm doing some levels for tomorrow morning. So we're looking at SPY here. We got New York value area high right there. It's hard to see. It's not really important. The way I have I have some session volume profiles set to help me mark this stuff out easier. It's actually kind of confusing looking. Because they're all kind of the same color, but I can kind of tell. I don't see a value area low, so I'm guessing it is hidden. Oh, it's all the way up there. Okay, that explains it. Value area high. New York value area low. I really wish I had just held a long last night. I saw the tariff news and I'm like, oh, I want a long, and I was so tired. I'm like, I shouldn't be trading while I'm tired. Like, I don't trust myself. And then the market just rallied. And then we had a bullish breakout of London initial balance. And I don't remember. I guess I did catch that. And then same thing, I think we had a bullish breakout of New York's balance. I was, man, everything's bullish. I should have just longed when I saw it. All right, I think I almost got my level set. So we got value area, yeah, all these yesterday levels, value area high, value area low, high and low. So for crypto, I'm more into using the weekly levels than these levels, but this is what I use to track the the daily movements on ES and NQ. So, which anyone following my other streams already know that. Which shout out to the other stream. If you only found this stream, you can go check out me trading, day trading in the morning, Luna Trades. And this channel is Luna Trades Crypto, so slightly different. All right, so that's good. ES is done. Let's look at NQ. I'm pretty certain I'm still bullish, bias bullish on these. All right. So we got yesterday's high. So I do this every night so I can wake up and be ready to go in the morning, especially with the morning stream. So now I'm just doing it on stream with my crypto trades. Whoa, what's going on there? That's a lot of lines happening. Okay, so we have yesterday's high. We got value area high up there. We have value area low. We have point of control. So right now we just tapped point of control, so and bounced on it. It'll be interesting to see if we go from like value area high to value area low overnight. We rejected value area high. And we got New York value area low. Oh no, that's New York, yeah, value area low. New York value area high. And we have yesterday's low. So I have all my levels done. We'll zoom out a little bit and look at it. Let's go to the 4 hour. And we'll turn off some stuff here. Wow, I have way too many trades posted on these charts for that. This is normally my low time frame. But yeah, look at this on the 4 hour. We've just been rallying. My chart's really ugly right now. I don't want to change all the settings for each one of these levels to not show on the higher time frame. But current year, previous month low, Monday high. So previous month low is 20,000. Another 100 points up, 20,462. We have the 200 EMA up here, 2,500, 20,500-ish. This chart is just not meant for that zoomed out. I'm going to zoom back in. But yeah, so these are my levels for tomorrow morning. I'm bullish still. So I feel good overall with the market and the thing with the tariffs. I don't know what the real news is with that, but it sounds like lessening the threat of economic issues from tariffs. And yeah, I think that kind of gives people trust to buy. And I don't know. I'm only going to be trading the charts, though. I don't really trade the news and all that stuff. So I guess that's pretty much it. I got my charting done for tomorrow, and I'm just going to watch these trades for now. Is there any coins I wanted to see? Let me look at my list. I'm just going to do a quick browse. I'm going to browse through. I'm not even going to look at what it is next. Let's see. Most alts look the same is the thing. So I don't even really need to look at most of them. Most of them all look the same. So this is on the daily. The only ones I'm really interested in are larger cap. I want to buy that. XRP's just been rolling. It's like this could easily, on all these alts, it could stay down. Even if it kind of was the bottom, it could still go sideways for like a month before going. It could also have some pretty large volatility on its way up. So I want to feel really good, of course. Buying tokens that are important, like this one, Harry Potter, Obama, Sonic, 10, Inu. Lido, look at that. It's like, I don't know. Is that trying to be a hero, trying to buy these? Stops like that. I kind of like it. Floki. Right, I'm gonna keep going. I don't know. I probably have some embarrassing tickers on here. Yeah, they all look the same to me, really. It's like it could bounce from here, it could not. And especially when the trend has been down. The overall trend for almost all alts, except for like XRP, has been down. So that I want to move slow with them. I like these hedged positions that are already selling off as they go up just a little bit and buying back in with the grid bots. Maybe there's some new coins that'd be better to buy. Okay, this is something I would maybe buy. The chart is weird. It's kind of like the XRP chart. But I do think that if market pumps like ADA and XRP, anything like anything that the government might talk about, like XRP has had a bunch of court cases, and every time they win a court case, it's the same story. It pumps. So I think anything that's getting an ETF and stuff like that, I'd be interested in. So ADA is one of those. Maybe it was already by the rumor, sell the news, because that rally right there was 300%. But yeah, maybe now that it's gone down, what's it gone down from here? Yeah, 50%. I could see myself buying some ADA. So I'm gonna move that up the list. I'm just always bullish Link, and it's a painful thing. But it was one of my first really good trades. I forget when it was. Let's see. This run up. That's so funny, and we're sitting here at $15. That's so funny. This run up seemed that impossible was happening. I remember this. Went up to $5, all the way back down to $1.50. It was still the bottom. That was the bottom, that dip. Okay, I'm just going to keep browsing through some charts, and then I think we're just going to call it good. Let's see if there's anything we want to see. Most of them look the same. So like tokens that I'm really interested in, like XRP and ADA, and anything that has a really appealing chart to me, like Solana. That's pretty much all I'm really interested in right now. Otherwise, just holding Bitcoin if we're bullish, or Ethereum. Well. Yeah, not looking good for a lot of these altcoins. Well, I guess that's going to be it, guys. I just wanted to browse the markets, check in on my portfolio, which is up actually pretty much exactly at break even. And that's it. So I might as well get off the screens. I want to be back on mañana. So I think that is it. It's cool that we're hitting some sells in these grid bots. It's been a while since I ran a grid bot, and I really like it. Just keeping it really simple, considering it kind of a hedge long position. So it's this ETH position pretty much just has, it's not holding very much dollars. It has 2 buys set, the rest are sells, and the XRP is kind of the other way around. It has more buys, less sells, and then Bitcoin is kind of in the middle, right? Bitcoin's the opposite. So yeah, less sells, more buys if we get a dip. So we kind of have a spread it out range. If we did get a dip, or if we did rally, it'd kind of be spread between. ETH is kind of my heavier position for if we made a big move up, because I think there's more reward versus risk with Ethereum right now. So I really could see, once it gets going, I could see it filling back up to 3,000 pretty easily. That's just in my mind, because once it goes, it kind of will go. It's kind of, yeah, like right here, look at that, 31 to 4. You can kind of not teleport, but it can decide quickly. All right, guys. Well, I don't want to sit here and overdo it. That's all I really want to do. I just want to check my portfolio. I need to find the journal that I started. This isn't it. Maybe somehow it didn't get saved. So maybe I'll have to start a new journal. I did write some stuff in it, but we'll start again if I have to. So yeah, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like and subscribe. Make sure to check out 3commas, and thank you 3commas for sponsoring the stream. Use the link that I already posted in the chat there. I'm just gonna do it again to go check out 3commas. Guys, get some good rest. I think the rest of this week I'm expecting to be a really good trading week. We've already gotten some really good moves, like looking at NQ here. Oh, let me switch screens. There you go. Looking at NQ, man, look at this move the last 2 days. Oof. 19,600 all the way up to 20,400. Almost 1,000 points in a few days. A lot of these days we traded around 300 points or so. Pretty clean directions. Up, down, up. So yeah, I think overall the market's been really nice lately, and I think it's a good time to be looking for opportunity. And so I'm going to try to stay vigilant and stay on it, and make sure to get enough sleep and be really dedicated and try to make the most of this while we got it. So I'll be seeing you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any videos, if you have any questions or anything, post down in the comments below the video. If there's anything you'd want to see, any certain tickers or anything like that at all, I'm totally here for it. So anything you want, hit me up. You can find me on Twitter as well, or Instagram if you want to message me there. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I will be seeing you later. Peace out. All right. Ciao. See ya. And thank you, G Wiz and BDYD for stopping through. Anyone else? I hope to see you guys around again soon. All right. Peace out.